Hi guys, glad to see you. Thanks for joining us here at the Genesis Link Consulting Group. Today we're going to discuss the Kaizen Basics. So let's go ahead and get started. In this module, we will provide you with an introduction to Kaizen, its purpose, and the benefits it can provide an organization. The topics we will cover will be the history of Kaizen, the meaning of Kaizen, the importance of Kaizen, some of the benefits to an organization, the 8 ways associated with Kaizen, and a mnemonic for remembering them, and then the Kaizen Blitz. The history of Kaizen. Kaizen began after World War II in Japan by Toyota with the implementation of quality circles to improve their production process. Masaki Imi contributed to the popularity of Kaizen by introducing it to Western companies as a way to manage their business. What does Kaizen mean? Kai means to change and Zen means good. When put together, Kaizen means incremental change for the better, continuous improvement. Why is Kaizen important? Kaizen is important because it focuses on continuously improving the process and eliminating waste. Muda is the Japanese term for waste. How can Kaizen benefit a business? It provides better customer service, increased profits, increased productivity, improved quality, reduce costs, eliminate waste, enhance efficiency, and provide a safer work environment. In looking at the 8 ways, the mnemonic that I like to present to you guys to remember this is U2Y. And how I came up with that was looking at the number 8 and the 2 big circles, and then considering waste being we have too much of something that's not producing us anything. So again, U2Y. Let's cut out our waste. The first letter that I like to talk about is U. The U stands for unused knowledge. That is, we need to involve our people. We need to get improvement ideas from them because these are the people that are doing the job every day. They are the subject matter experts. The T stands for transportation. Movement of material between operations and locations. Again, how can we change our layout to prevent excess transportation? The next letter O stands for overprocessing. This is when we add additional steps that the customer is not willing to pay for. Again, a waste. We're losing money. Next, we have overproduction. This is making more than is needed. If no one is going to buy it and we have produced it, again, it's a waste. Next, we have W. The W stands for waiting. This is when our operators are sitting idle or we have a delay. We are not producing, we are waiting on something. Again, a waste. We're paying people to wait. I stands for inventory. This is material that is in the warehouse or on the floor that is waiting to be used. It is additional cost that we have incurred because we have inventory that is sitting that is not, again, making us money. Next, we have D. D stands for defects. This is rework. Anytime that we're having to repeat an operation because it doesn't conform to specs or any other reason for having to repeat or redo anything causes us to have a loss in production. Again, lost money. Next, E. which stands for excess motion. This is unnecessary movements by the operators. It could be unsafe lifting, ergonomics, anything that is causing them to have additional movements. Again, creating an additional cost when you consider workman's comp. So the 8 ways that we discuss, again, our way to remember this is U to wide. Let's talk a little bit about the Kaizen Blitz. This is your low-hanging fruit. The Kaizen Blitz is sometimes called a Kaizen event. What it is a cross-functional team. They get together for a short-term project, usually about 5 days in duration. They are very specific in nature and they have a narrow scope. This team is focused on getting major improvements in a specific area. They are focused on rapid results. This is those quick wins. Usually, a Kaizen Blitz has little to no capital investment. That's why it is a great tool to use for continuous improvement. It's where you focus on your low hanging fruit. What do we have at our hands that we can change and redo that can increase our efficiency and help eliminate waste? Again, that is the purpose of a Kaizen Blitz. Okay, let's summarize what we've discussed today. We talked about Masaki Emi, who was the one who introduced Kaizen to Western companies as a way to manage their business. We talked about Kai meaning to change, Zen meaning good. When put together, Kaizen is an incremental change for the better, continuous improvement, and eliminating waste. Muda is the Japanese term for waste. We talked about U2Y, which is our mnemonic for the 8 ways to help us remember it. Those 8 ways we discussed were unused knowledge, transportation, overprocessing, overproduction, waiting, inventory, defects, and excess motion. The Kaizen Blitz, again, is a 5-day event with a cross-functional team who's focused on solving a specific issue. It's for a quick win where they focus on the low-hanging fruit. Well, guys, that's it. Thanks for joining us here today at the Genesis Lean Consulting Group. If you liked our presentation, please visit our website at genesisleangroup.com or watch us here on our YouTube channel. Again, we're always available to help and look forward to providing you additional services. Have a great day.